of changes. Some changes are desirable whereas other changes are undesirable. Chemical reaction leads to the change in the identity of the substance. Some important chemical reactions that are visible in our environment are rusting of iron material, ripening of fruits and vegetables, digestion of food, cooking of food, combustion, respiration and photosynthesis are also some of the important chemical changes. Occurrence of acid rain followed by fermentation of grapes, baking of bread and cake and also change of milk to curd are some common chemical changes that are visible in our environment.
Good morning. I am Harshipal, a student of class 10D of JV Model School IIT Kharagpur and I am a member of Group 3. Today I am going to show an experiment on chemical reaction and I have taken some solutions. The first one is soap solution, the second one is baking powder solution, the third one is grape juice, the fourth one is orange juice and the last one is lemon juice. And I have taken some iron nails to show the experiment. So first of all I will drop this iron nail in the following solution. So first of all I am dropping this iron nail in the soap solution. The second one in baking powder solution. The third one in grape juice. The fourth one in orange juice. And the last one in lemon juice. So I will keep this solution intact for 7 days and after 7 days we will check the result. Now after 7 days it is the time for the result of my chemical reaction. The first one is soap solution and I am picking up the nail from it. And no reaction is taking place because soap solution contains either sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide and iron does not have any potential to react with it. This is baking powder solution and I am taking up the nail from it. And here also no reaction is taking place because the formula of baking powder is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate and iron does not have any potential to react with it. Now this is grape juice. It contains tartaric acid and now I am taking up the iron nail and you can see that the iron nail turned black in color. This is because iron reacts with tartaric acid to produce hydrogen and salt. Now this is orange juice. Now I am taking up the iron nail. Here also reaction is taking place and hydrogen is formed and iron reacted with citric acid which is present in orange juice. And now I am taking up the iron nail from lemon juice. And here also reaction is taking place because it also contains citric acid and iron reacted with citric acid to produce hydrogen. Yes. And in these nails, rust is formed due to the presence of water molecules in the solution. Thank you.
Not learn by just mugging up all the chemical formulae, reactions and equations, but it can be made very simple and easy through this card game. This card game will make chemical equation balancing very much simple, fun and interesting. Let's see how we can do this. In this card game, we have cards with us which are imprinted with the elements. We are also providing them with the numbers, parentheses and mathematical operations to make a chemical equation. We are also providing them the numbers to balance those chemical equations. The most fun part of this is that when we flip over each and every card, we will get the type of chemical reaction involved in that equation. Let us see its demonstration. Let us first make a compound made up of potassium, oxygen and hydrogen. We get potassium hydroxide. And let's suppose we want to react this compound with calcium chloride which has a formula formula of CaCl2. When they react with each other, they will form calcium hydroxide, which has a formula of CaOH whole twice and KCl. This equation that you see is Keratal chemical equation, which means this chemical equation is not balanced. So when I will balance them, it will become 2KOH plus CaCl2 forms CaOH whole twice plus 2KCl. Now the fun part of this is that when we flip this, we will be able to get what type of chemical equation is this. Let's do that. We saw that this chemical equation that we just balanced now is actually a precipitation reaction. Isn't it amazing? Let's see another example. This time we want to use ammonia in our equation. So we can give ammonia as NH3, and let's suppose we want to react this with sulfuric acid, which has a formula of H2SO4. When they will react with each other, they will form ammonium sulfate, which has a formula of NH4 whole thrice SO4. This is also a skeletal chemical equation which is not balanced. After balancing, we will get 2NH3 plus H2SO4 forms NH4 whole twice SO4. Now let's know which type of chemical equation it is by flipping the cards. We see that this chemical equation is a combination reaction. In this way, we can make chemical equation balancing and to know its type very easy through this card game. Thank you.